Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will discuss about the branch-wise cutoff for top 10 best colleges under Comet K and KCET. So after watching this video, you will able to know the branch-wise cutoff for these best 10 colleges under Comet K and KCET. So watch this video till the end to get all the cutoff related information clearly. So before starting this video, I would like to introduce my channel Information and Educational Videos. Here you will get all you need to know about a particular college or exam, that is college review, exam pattern and many more. So if you are first to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. And if you have any question, do ask in the comment section and check the description box for many such videos. So let's start the today's topic. With number 10 college, that is B&M Institute of Technology. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science engineering, the cutoff goes to almost 5200, and for EC branch the cutoff goes to 7300, and for information and science engineering the cutoff goes to almost 6300. For Triple E branch the cutoff goes to 13600, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff goes to 17751. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. For computer science engineering the cutoff goes to almost 14,000, and for information science and engineering the cutoff goes to 17,483, and for EC the cutoff is 26,600, and for Triple E branch the cutoff is 37,000, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff goes to 50,300. That's it about the B&M Institute of Technology. Now talk about the number 9 college, that is the National Institute of Engineering, Mysore. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science engineering the cutoff goes to almost 3200, and for EC the cutoff goes to 4600. For civil engineering the cutoff goes to 58,800, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 19,400, and for Triple E branch the cutoff is almost 9,500. For information and science engineering the cutoff is 5600, and for industrial and production engineering the cutoff is 83,500. Now talk about the Comet K cutoff. For computer science engineering the cutoff is almost 4500, and for information science engineering the cutoff is almost 7600, and for EC the cutoff is 9200. For mechanical engineering cutoff is 44,000, and for Triple E branch the cutoff is 44,500. Now talk about the number 8 college, that is NITTE, Meenakshi Institute of Technology. Here is the KCET cutoff. The computer science engineering cutoff goes to 6535. Aeronautical engineering cutoff goes to 11,000. For EC the cutoff is 9886. For information science the cutoff is almost 9,000, and for Triple E branch the cutoff is 14,000. For civil engineering the cutoff is 29,000, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 22,600. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. For CSC, the cutoff is 12,687, and for Information Science and Engineering, the cutoff is 29,000. For ECE, the cutoff is 30,000, and for Civil Engineering, the cutoff is 46,700, and for Aeronautical Engineering, the cutoff is 52,000, and for Mechanical Engineering, the cutoff is 55,000. Now talk about the number 7 college, that is Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. Here is the KCT cutoff for this college. For CSE, the cutoff is 2665. For Information and Science Engineering, the cutoff is almost 4600. For Aeronautical Engineering, the cutoff is 5200. For ECE, the cutoff is 4300. For Triple E branch, the cutoff is 9000. For Mechanical Engineering, the cutoff is almost 12,000. And for Medical Electronics, the cutoff is 17,300. Now talk about here it's more branch for this college. For B Civil Engineering, the cutoff is 19,000. For Biotechnology, 13,000. For Telecommunication Engineering, the cutoff is 16,000. For Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, the cutoff is 13,800. And for Chemical Engineering, the cutoff is 13,600. For Construction Technology, cutoff is 38,000. For Automobile Engineering, the cutoff is 17,800. And for Industrial Engineering and Management, the cutoff is almost 27,000. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. For CSC, the cutoff is almost 4,000, and for Information and Science Engineering, the cutoff is 8,300. For ECE, the cutoff is almost 11,000, and for Aeronautical Engineering, the cutoff is almost 15,000, and for Mechanical Engineering, the cutoff is almost 29,000, and for Medical Electronics, the cutoff is 35,000. For Triple E branch, the cutoff is 38,400, and for Chemical Engineering, the cutoff is 38,500. Now talk about here is the more branch of this college. Automobile Engineering, the cutoff is 44,000, and Industrial Engineering and Management, the cutoff is 45,000. For Telecommunication Engineering, the cutoff is 47,000. For Biotechnology, it is 48,000, and for Civil Engineering, the cutoff is almost 57,000. Now talk about the number 6 college, that is SJCE College of Engineering, Mysore. KCET cutoff for this college for Computer Science Engineering is only 1200, and for ECE the cutoff is 1828. For Triple E branch, the cutoff is 4439, and for Civil Engineering, the cutoff is almost 10,000, and for Mechanical Engineering, the cutoff is almost 7600, and for Instrumentation Engineering, the cutoff is almost 8,000, and for Industrial and Production Engineering, the cutoff is almost 18,000, and for Environmental Engineering, the cutoff is 23,000. For Polymer Engineering, the cutoff is 30,000, and for Information Science Engineering, the cutoff is only 2,339. For Biotechnology, the cutoff is 8,300. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. For Computer Science Engineering, the cutoff goes to 6,000. For Information and Science Engineering, the cutoff is 8,400. For ECE, the cutoff is 9,000. For Mechanical Engineering, the cutoff is 23,389, and for Civil Engineering, the cutoff goes to almost 27,000, and for Biotechnology, the cutoff goes to almost 54,000, and for Construction Technology, the cutoff is almost 57,000. Now talk about the number 5 college, that is Sir M. Visvaraya Institute of Technology. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science engineering, the cutoff is 3633. For information science and engineering, the cutoff is almost 5300. For EC, the cutoff is 6100. For triple E, the cutoff is 14,000. For civil engineering, the cutoff is almost 22,000. For telecommunication engineering, the cutoff is 19,500, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 16,500, and for industrial engineering and management the cutoff is 29,000, and for biotechnology the cutoff is 14,000. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. For CSE the cutoff is 6,300. For information and science engineering the cutoff is almost 7,500. For ECE the cutoff is 11,800. For biotechnology the cutoff is 42.5 thousand, and for mechanical engineering it is 46,000. For civil engineering it is 48,000. For industrial engineering and management the cutoff is 51,000, and for triple E branch the cutoff is 51,700. Now talk about the number 4 college, that is Bangalore Institute of Technology. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science engineering the cutoff is only 1800. For information and science engineering the cutoff is 2600. For EC the cutoff is 3150, and for triple E branch the cutoff is 7800. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 12,000. For electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 13,300, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 18,689. For telecommunication engineering the cutoff is 11,000, and for industrial engineering and management the cutoff is 26,300. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. The computer science engineering cutoff goes to 4,086, and for information science engineering cutoff goes to 5700, and for EC the cutoff is 10,280. For triple E branch the cutoff is almost 20,000. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 26,300, and for industrial engineering and management the cutoff is almost 36,000. Now for civil engineering the cutoff is 46,000, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 47.5 thousand, and for telecommunication engineering the cutoff is almost 51,000. Now talk about the number 3 college, that is BMS College of Engineering. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science engineering the cutoff is only 444. For EC the cutoff is 703, and for information and science engineering the cutoff is only 917. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 1664. For EC for triple E branch the cutoff is 1900. For electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 3200. For aerospace engineering the cutoff is 4200. For civil engineering the cutoff is 6700, and for telecommunication engineering the cutoff is 3600, and for biotechnology the cutoff is 8689. Now talk about its COMEDK cutoff. Computer science engineering cutoff goes to 967. Information science engineering goes to 1476. For EC the cutoff is 18,500, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 4700. For electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 5200. For telecommunication engineering the cutoff is 9.5 thousand, and for medical electronics the cutoff is 16,700. For chemical engineering the cutoff is 17,000. For biotechnology 18,000, and for civil engineering 19,000. Now talk about the number 2 college, that is MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For computer science engineering the cutoff is only 568. For ECE, the cutoff is 1066. For Information Technology, the cutoff is 1037. For Triple E branch, the cutoff is 2114. For Mechanical Engineering, the cutoff is 3306. And for Biotechnology, the cutoff is 7837. And for Civil Engineering, the cutoff is 8300. For Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, the cutoff is 4200. For Telecommunication Engineering, the cutoff is 5000. And for Medical Electronics, the cutoff is 11.5 thousand. And for Chemical Engineering, the cutoff is 6200. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. For CSE, the cutoff is 1145. For Information Science Engineering, the cutoff is 1922. For ECE, the cutoff is 2245. And for Triple E branch, the cutoff is 3533. For Telecommunication Engineering, the cutoff is almost 6800. For Mechanical Engineering, 7000. And for Chemical Engineering, 11,000. And for Civil Engineering, 15,000. And for Industrial Engineering and Management, cutoff is 18,000. And for Biotechnology, 19,000. And for Medical Electronics, the cutoff is 43,200. Now talk about the number one college that comes under Comet K is RV College of Engineering. Here is the KCET cutoff for this college. For Computer Science Engineering, the cutoff is 124 only. And for ECE, the cutoff is 271 rank only. And for Triple E branch, the cutoff is 492. And for Information Technology, the cutoff is 253. For Mechanical Engineering, the cutoff goes to 821. For Civil Engineering, the cutoff goes to 3400. For Aerospace Engineering, the cutoff is 1700. For Instrumentation Engineering, the cutoff goes to almost 1500. And for Telecommunication Engineering, the cutoff is 1400. And for Industrial Engineering and Management, the cutoff is almost 4000. For Biotechnology, the cutoff is 4700. And for Chemical Engineering, the cutoff is 1900. Now talk about its Comet K cutoff. For Computer Science Engineering, the cutoff is only 373. And for Information Science Engineering, the cutoff is 597. For ECE, 856. For Mechanical Engineering, 2111. For Triple E branch, the cutoff is 2480. For Instrumentation Engineering, the cutoff is 3700. For Chemical Engineering, the cutoff is 8000. For Civil Engineering, 8.5 thousand. For Industrial Engineering and Management, the cutoff is almost 10,000. And for Biotechnology, it is 14,000. So that's it about the branch-wise cutoff for top 10 colleges that comes under Comet K and KCET. Hope you like this video. If you like, do subscribe and like and share to your friends so that they can also get this information. Thanks.